Hi there, students. Credence. Okay, credence is an uncountable noun. Credence means the belief that something is true. So I'm not prepared to give credence to the useless excuse that he's just given me. I'm not going to believe it, to give credence to something. Some evidence would lend credence to what you have just said. It would add credence to it. It would make it more believable. Okay, so credence, the belief in something, or acceptance or belief that something is true. Um, I have heard these rumors before, but I don't give any credence to them. Yeah, I don't believe them. So, do you give credence to what he's just said? Do you believe that it's true? Do you believe that it's valid? Yeah, okay. Credence, credibility, plausibility. There are a number of small details that give credence to what she is telling us. Okay, I can't give credence to claims like this. In a court of law, evidence gives credence to what a witness says. Circumstantial evidence can lend credence to it. So notice, to give credence to something, to believe, to lend credence to something, to make it more believable, to add credence to it. Yeah, so acceptance. We need to do further studies on this theory to add credence to the evidence that we already have. Okay, there are a number of wild theories about this, but don't give them any credence. Yeah, they're not believable. You shouldn't believe that they're true. Okay, particularly to give credence to something, to believe it's true. Okay, so credence, acceptance or belief, or acceptance of a belief of that something is true, particularly when it's based on evidence. Without scientific evidence, I can't give credence to your hypothesis. Now, while we're about it, a credence also can be a small table used in Christian religious services that goes on the side of the altar where the Eucharist is kept. Yeah, I quite actually like the origin of this. I think this is a type of credenza. Okay, a credenza is like a table in or a dresser in a dining room or in a kitchen. And the origin of this I quite like as well. Credenza used to be the act of tasting somebody's food before they ate it, checking for poison. Yeah, so credenza was the poor servant eating some of the food, and if he died, then it's poisoned. Okay, and then that came to mean the side table, I think, where this was probably done. Okay, but that's a side issue. So credence, believability. His qualifications give credence to the idea that he's very good at what he does. Okay, credence. How formal is this? I think I would give it a 7.5 in formality. I think informally I would say believability, credibility. Yeah, it's believable. And then as to origin, it comes from Old French credence, believing, which itself comes from the Latin credens, from credo, to confide in, to trust, to believe. Yeah, so the meaning hasn't changed much. So you should give credence to what he says, even though it sounds rather weird and strange. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Credence.